common problems and solutions for Robinhood. Now, if you are facing any type of issues that you're facing on the Robinhood app or the web platform, there could be various reasons underlying behind it. The first off, we're going to start with a very basic fix, that is to check and ensure that we have a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, then what we can do is, if you're using the Robinhood app on Android, we can long press the Robinhood application on any Android phone and tap on this I button, which will take us to app info. This setting will be available on any Android device because that's the basic of this feature. Now what you want to do from here is go to the option called storage usage, and here you can see the cache files that it has generated. Tap on the clear cache button and you can also see clear data. Now only use clear data if the cache files isn't working, because clearing the data is going to reset the app and ultimately log you out of your account. And after you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Robinhood app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.